Plug your compressor and cooling fan into the power outlet inside the cabinet. Then connect the power cord coming from the cabinet to the standard ground fault circuit interrupter, also known as a GFCI outlet. The system should now be running. It is now time to get your boat in the water. One person should be in the boat or raft, while a second person hands him or her one diffuser plate and Easy Set air line. Connect the diffuser plate to the Easy Set air line and thread your thin nylon rope under the diffuser's manifold. This will allow for easy placement. Begin to row out to the diffuser placement area while the person on shore guides the air line. Avoid any twists in the air line, for this will cause the diffuser to want to flip when it is released from the boat. When you have reached the area where the diffuser is to be placed, use the nylon rope to gently guide the diffuser down to the bottom. This helps ensure the diffuser plate does not flip over and land where you have intended to place it. The diffuser is self-weighted and will require no additional weights to sink. With the system running, you can easily guide the diffuser into place. Once you are comfortable with the diffuser placement, release one end of the nylon rope, pulling the other end in the boat. If your diffuser is sitting correctly, there should be no friction when you pull the rope into the boat. Repeat these steps until all diffuser plates are in position. If you have multiple diffusers, you may see a difference in the amount of bubbles coming from each diffuser. The diffuser in the deepest water or with the longest run may require more pressure to operate than other diffusers. Adjustments to the valves should be made for maximum performance. Once adjustments are made, wait several minutes to see results at the diffuser locations. With the system up and running, check for leaks along the trench, especially where any connections were made. If all is well, backfill. Be sure not to put any large rocks or sharp objects back in your trench. These could cause air leaks in the future. Depending on the condition of your pond and the time of year you are installing your system, if your pond is severely stratified, you may bring the toxic water from the bottom of your pond to the surface too quickly, causing your pond to turn over, resulting in fish stress or loss. Your pond would be most prone to this turnover effect during the warm summer months. If you notice an odor after turning on your system or see a difference in the water color around the diffuser, your pond is more than likely stratified.